Here's how to add a portfolio on your Fiverr. The first thing that you need to do is to become a seller. So click on your profile and click on Become a Seller. It should redirect you to this page where you can click on Create Your Profile. Now there's two ways. There's upload your experience and complete your profile manually. I recommend just uploading your experience because it's easier and much faster. You can just upload your CV or connect your LinkedIn and they automatically fill it up for you. I'm just going to upload my CV right here, and once you're done, you can just click continue, click replace, and wait for it to load. Now once it's done loading, what you need to do is you need to upload a profile first. Now make sure to use your real face because Fiverr has some really strict guidelines, so be careful of that. Now Fiverr has automatically filled it in for me. Now once you're done, just click on continue, and now they're gonna ask if you're part of a team or not. I'm not a part of a team, so I'll just click no. Press the continue button again. I don't have any website, so I'll click continue again, and once you're here, just click create a gig. Now once you're here, just wait for it to load. Now what we have done is we created a seller account so that we can add a portfolio to our own profile. Go to the top right corner of your screen where you can see profile, click on that, and it should lead you to the profile section of Fiverr. Now we can add our portfolio by clicking this button right here where it says start portfolio. Now once you're here in the portfolio page, click on new project. It should redirect you to this page where you can be able to fill in the information about the portfolio that you have previously created. Now in Fiverr, when creating a portfolio, you need to follow a format. You need to provide a title. You need to specify which industry is it in. You need to put in the duration of the project, its cost, and the month and year started. You even need to provide a description with a minimum of 120 characters. You can even upload files that show your project. Once you're done with all of that, it should look something like this. Once you finish reviewing it, just click on Publish Project. Now don't mind the things that I put in, it's just for an example. Now as you can see, there's a project in my portfolio on Fiverr. Now that's how you can be able to add a portfolio in Fiverr.